Planyway Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Planyway, a versatile booking platform designed to help you plan, organize, and manage your trips and activities with ease. You'll find links to the platform in the description below, so make sure to check it out for more details. Planyway is aimed at travelers who need a centralized place to plan and book their itineraries, activities, and transportation. The platform integrates seamlessly with your calendar, allowing you to plan out your days, add events, and view your schedule in a highly visual, easy-to-read format. It's ideal for people who want to streamline their travel planning process and avoid the hassle of juggling multiple apps or booking systems. One of the standout features of Planyway is its dynamic calendar system. Whether you're planning a solo trip, a family vacation, or a group adventure, you can add all your events directly to the calendar. Planyway syncs with Google Calendar, making it easy to import your existing schedules or share plans with friends and family. It also provides an interactive map to help visualize where each of your booked activities is located, which is great for navigating unfamiliar destinations. Another useful feature is the ability to store and manage bookings and reservations directly on the platform. Planyway allows you to input details for flights, hotels, tours, and any other plans, ensuring you can access everything in one place. It also offers real-time updates and reminders to ensure you don't miss any important bookings or deadlines. Overall, Planyway is a comprehensive tool for travelers looking to stay organized and efficient throughout their trips. Its user-friendly interface, calendar integration, and all-in-one booking management make it a great choice for anyone who wants to simplify their travel planning. Don't forget to check out the description for the link to start using Planyway and experience its features firsthand.